a scripture in me eyes, bear scar on me heart. Still me humble and wise. Learn to read the parable them hidden in our life. Granny said, picnic, watch your friends and your idols. Whole heap of nice, but seek truth, not the silence. System want to use you, then fling you like styrofoam. So me talk to the Father before me touch phone. Them pray upon the corner, psalm in my palm. Head full of storm, but my soul stay calm. Them can't program what you already planned. Deep in the valley, me I walk with the psalm. Yeah, pray upon the corner, psalm in my palm. Talk to the sky like a whole time done. When fear won't run me stand and chant. Your word in my chest like a lion brand. Enough man a brag about things where them own. Empty like cup, but them flex like throne. Me see king turn clown for your little likes. Sell out them soul for a short cheap price. But look on the hands, brother, watch how they move. The unity and all them a build them improve. Nature a preach more truth than the news. If you read the sign them, you a scholar, you a choose. Pray upon the corner, psalm in my palm. Head full of storm, but me soul stay calm. Them can't program what you already planned. Deep in the valley, me I walk with the psalm. Oh, pray upon the corner, psalm in my palm. Talk to the sky like a old time done. When fear won't run me stand and chant. Your word in my chest like a lion brand. Me say, if I test me, me pass it. Code from a clock where Babylon can't wash it. Hope in my vein, faith in my talk. Even when me crawl, me I crawl like rock. Every tear we drop. I want next baptism, pressure make pearls. So me shine with the wisdom, know my steps them firm. Any trap me can't spot it, devil drop line. But me nah go read that topic. Yeah. Pray upon the corner, psalm in my palm. Head full of storm, but my soul stay calm. Them can't program what you already planned. Deep in the valley, me I walk with the psalm. Pray upon the corner, psalm in my palm. Talk to the sky like a old time done. When fear won't run me stand and chant. Your light in my face, me a blessed man. Here we now, from the zinc fence yard to the mansion gate. Same prayer, same faith. Yeah. Listen. Early morning, I still read. Granny read Psalm, hand pa me head. Youth, mind clean, even if your shoes lean. She a talk about art, me a watch the screen. Bible page tear, but the word still fresh. Ink long feared, but it carved in a flesh. Them things deeper than book where your wall is like fire in a bone, is a drum in a soul. Street full of worry man, hype for your day, but those can't brag when breeze blow away. So me humble my talk, tune up my talk. Can't buy wisdom, I feel live the part. Psalms in the ghetto, I hear every line. Pray upon my lip, but the changing on my mind. From the gutter to the hilltop, same sunshine. Man, I reason with the most high every time. Psalms in the ghetto, word sharp like spear. Fear of a tremble when the truth draw near. Me say, Jah guide me step even when road rough. Cause with faith and little courage, man, tough enough. Enough man pray for car chain, but me pray for the strength to stay free. Free from the spite, free from the hate, free from me ego, we love the bed. Psalms say clean and pure heart, so me wash off grudge, fling way bad thought. Me share it with crew. Prayer no magic is a contract you sign with the work where you do on the state of your mind. Psalms in the ghetto, Jah hear every line. Pray upon me lip, but the changing of my mind. From the gutter to the hilltop, same sunshine. Man, a reason with the most high every time. Psalms in the ghetto, word sharp like spear. Fear of a tremble when the truth draw near. Me say, Jah guide me step even when road rough. Cause with faith and little courage, man, tough enough. Woo! Still I hail king. If my part empty, still have psalms me sing, yeah. Cause the richest prayer are the one with you. When you still give thanks and you can't see close. Psalms in the ghetto, Jah hear every line. Pray upon my lip, but the changing of my mind. From the gutter to the hilltop, same sunshine. Man, a reason with the most high every time. Psalms in the ghetto, word sharp like spear. Fear of a tremble when the truth draw near. Me say, Jah guide me step even when road rough. Cause with faith and little courage, man, tough enough. Early morning breeze a blow me there, star right at your footstool. Whoa, barefoot pon the cold stone, herb smoke curl pon the downtown. Bible leave them brown well known. Ancestor whisper in my backbone. Me say, Father, I'm tired but me still strong. World full of dirty but me still long. For see the little youth, them build strong. Mind like mountain, heart like steel drum. Them a chase vanity, pure eye. Caption pon phone but them soul type. Empty like plate when the pot light. Me a chant true till the cloud bright. Oh, chants at the altar of Jah Rastafari. Guide me, oh, from the gutter to the star. My spirit can't tire. Oh, chants at the altar of Jah keep me clean inside. Hey, when the whole world a war, but still I hail King I. No money me a pray for, me a beg clarity. Clean heart, brave Jah. For talk when the wicked want slave, yeah. For walk when the whole road care, yeah. Check the system is a big trap. Sweet smile, but a snake clap. Them teach self-hate, then themselves trap. But teach self-love with a book strap. You remember say you're more than your postcode. More than your last girl with ghost school. More than brand on your cheap clothes. You a lion where them call go. Chants at the altar of Jah Rastafari. Guide me, whoa, from your gutter to the star. My spirit can't tire. No, chants at the altar of Jah keep me clean inside. Hey, when the whole world a war, still I hail King I. Mr. Jah congregation, Rasta congregation, Rasta congregation. Yeah, if you're there at your doorway, sweep it out with a song. Yeah, you feel the eye your chest bone, beat it out with a one tone. Oh, chants at the altar of Jah Rastafari. Guide me, whoa, from the gutter to the star. Spirit can't tire. No, chants at the altar of Jah keep me clean inside. Hey, when the whole world a war, still I hail King I. future in me eyes, be a scalp on me heart. Still me humble and wise. Learn to read the parable them hidden in a life. Granny say, picnic, watch your friends and your idols. Whole heap of nice, but see truth in all the silence. System want to use you, then fling you like styrofoam. So me talk to the Father before me touch phone. Prayer up on the corner, psalm in my palm. Head full of storm, but my soul stay calm. Them can't program where Jah already planned. Deep in the valley, me and walk with the psalm. Yeah, prayer up on the corner, psalm in my palm. Talk to the sky like a whole time down. When fear won't run me stand and chant. Jah word in my chest like a lion brand. Enough man I brag both things where them own. Empty like cup, but them flex like throne. Me see king turn clown. For a little light, sell out them soul for a short cheap price. But look on the hands, brother, watch how them move. Unity and order them a build them improve. Nature a preach more truth than the news. If you read the sign them, you a scholar, you a choose. Psalm in my palm, head full of storm, but my soul stay calm. Them can't program where Jah already planned. Deep in the valley, me a walk with the psalm. Now prayer up on the corner, psalm in my palm. Talk to the sky like a whole time down. When fear won't run, me stand and chant. Jah word in my chest like a lion brand. Me say Jah, if I test, make me pass it. Cut from a cloud where Babylon can't wash it. Open on my vein, faith in my talk. Even when me crawl, me I crawl like rock. Every tear where drop, I want next baptism. Pressure make pearl, so me shine with the wisdom. Know me steps them firm and the trap, me can't spot it. Devil drop line, but me not go rate that topic. Psalm in my palm, head full of storm, but my soul stay calm. Them can't program where Jah already planned. Deep in the valley, me I walk with the psalm. Hey, pray up on the corner, psalm in my palm. Talk to the sky like a whole time down. When fear won't run, me stand and chant. Jah light in my face, me a blessed man. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. I chant on the altar, barefoot, ash by my shoulder. Ancient word them over. Heat rise up like a soldier. Sun just a crack through the zinc roof. Steam from the kettle arise slow. Granny Bible page, brown nail tear out. Still she every line where she know me there. I read from the late night. Wrestle with doubt, with the fear, with the fight axe. Jah, oh me hold firm in a this time. Voice in my chest says stand up, you are light. So we chant at the altar of Jah. One love, one heart. Make it travel far, red eye. Foot firm, can't stall star. From ghetto lane straight reach uptown bar. We chant at the altar of Jah. Rise you, rise you, rise. Every wound gets scarred, but scar turn map so you know who you are. When we chant at the altar of Jah. Picnic them hungry, still a share plate. Last little rice, still me give them a scrape. Come remember when my belly did hollow. So kindness are the key, we open up gate. Politician come smile, full of sweet talk. Same foot where them broke, them say please walk. Jah whisper, them can't write your story. You hold your pen firm, make your true talk. So we chant at the altar of Jah. One name, one plan, one plan. From near and far, no shame in your scar. Make it crown star. Turn your pain in a prayer for the war. We chant at the altar of Jah. Rise, queen, rise, rise. You a lion star. Them box you down, but your soul too raw. When we chant at the altar of Jah. Whoa. Every little thought is a seed where you sow, man. If your plan be a fear, stress soon come. Plant little faith, watch blessing just grow, man. Little but me tall with the truth in my palm. Storm dead, still me walk through calm. Cause you not sleep, him dep on the case. Even when you can't see, trust the hand, trust the grace. So we chant at the altar of Jah. Hold firm, hold firm, hold firm. Even when your jaw life rough, but you're tougher than the top. From zinc fence right back to seminar, we chant at the altar of Jah. No self, no Jah, no Jah. That a real power every second, every breath, every hour. When we chant at the altar of Jah, yeah. Screen. Bible page tear, but the word still fresh. Ink long fade, but it carved in a flesh. Them things deeper than book where your hole is like fire in a bone, is a drum in a soul. Street full of worry, man, hide for your day, but dust can't brag when breeze blow away. So me humble me talk, tune up me thought. Can't buy wisdom, I feel live the path. Psalms in all the ghetto, Jah hear every line. Pray upon my lip, but the changing of my mind. From the gutter to the hilltop, same sunshine. Man, a reason with the most high every time. Psalms in all the ghetto, word sharp like spear. Fear of a tremble when the truth draw near. Me say, Jah guide my step even when road rough. Cause with faith and little courage, man, tough enough. Enough man pray for catch and key, but me pray for the strength to stay free. Free from the spite, free from the hate, free from my ego, we love debate. Some say clean hands, pure heart. Some wash off grudge, fling way bad thought. Me no beg for them fall when me kneel pan floor. Me beg Jah build me, give me spirit more. See, if you want rise, you have to live too. If you want light, share it with crew. Prayer no magic, is a contract you sign with the work where you do on the state of your mind. Psalms in all the ghetto, Jah hear every line. Pray upon my lip, but the changing of my mind. From the gutter to the hilltop, same sunshine. Man, a reason with the most high every time, yeah. Psalms in all the ghetto, word sharp like spear. Fear of a tremble when the truth draw near. Me say, Jah guide my step even when road rough. Cause with faith and little courage, man, tough enough. My job still a hail king. If my pot empty, still a psalms me sing, yeah. God the richest prayer are the one with you when you still give thanks and you can't see clue. Psalms in all the ghetto, Jah hear every line. Pray upon my lip, but the changing of my mind. From the gutter to the hilltop, same sunshine. Man, a reason with the most high every time, yeah. Psalms in all the ghetto, word sharp like spear. Fear of a tremble when the truth draw near. Me say, Jah guide my step even when road rough. Cause with faith and little courage, man, tough enough. blood. Me there, star, right on your footstool. Whoa, barefoot on the cold stone, herb smoke girl on the downtown. Bible leave them brown, well known ancestor with spine on my backbone. Me say Father, me tired but me still strong. World full of dirty but me still long. Me see the little youth them build strong. Mind like mountain, heart like steel drum. Them a chase vanity, pure eye. Caption pan phone but them soul tight. Empty like plate when the pot light. Me a chant shoot till the cloud bright. Chant at the altar of Jah, Rastafari guide me. Whoa, from the gutter to the star, my spirit can't tire. No, no. Chant at the altar of Jah, keep me clean inside. Hey, when the whole world a war, me still a hail King I. No money me a pray for, me a beg clarity cleaner. Brave Jah, fi talk when the wicked want slave you, fi walk when the whole road give. Yeah. Check the system, is a big trap. Sweet smile, but a snake lap. Them teach self-fear, then them self-strap. Me teach self-love with a book strap. Youth, remember say you're more than your postcode, more than your last girl we go school, more than brand for your cheap clothes. You a lion where them call go. Chants at the altar of Jah, Rastafari guide me. Whoa, from the gutter to the star, my spirit can't tire. No, no. Chants at the altar of Jah, keep me clean inside. Hey, when the whole world a war, me still a hail King I. Me say Jah, congregation. Me say Lord, congregation. If you're there at your doorway, sweep it out with a sound, yeah. If you're there at your chest bone, beat it out with a one tone, yeah. Yo, chants at the altar of Jah, Rastafari guide me. Whoa, from the gutter to the star, my spirit can't tire. No, no. Chants at the altar of Jah, keep me clean inside. Hey, when the whole world a war, me still a hail King I. Whoa, whoa, oh. Man a chant on the altar, barefoot, ash on me shoulder, ancient word them have. Heat rise up like a soldier. Sun does a crack through the zinc roof, steam from the kettle a rise slow. Granny Bible page brown near tear out, still she hum every line where she know. Me there, I read from the late night, wrestle with doubt, with the fear, with the fight. Ask, Jah me hold firm in a this time, voice in a me chest say, stand up you a light. So we chant at the altar of Jah, one love, one heart, make it travel far. Head high, foot firm, can't stall star. From ghetto lane straight reach uptown bar. We chant at the altar of Jah, rise you'd rise. Everyone gets scared, but scared turn map so you know who you are. When we chant at the altar of Jah, picnic them hungry, still a share plate. Last little right rice, still me give them a scrape. Come remember when my belly did hollow so. Kindness are the key, we open up gate. Politician come smile, full of sweet talk. Same foot where them broke, them say please walk. Jah whisper them can't write your story. You hold your pen firm, make your truth talk. So we chant at the altar of Jah. One aim, one plan,
from near and far.
no shame in your scar.
Make it crown star.
Turn your pain in a prayer for the war. We chant at the altar of Jah. Rise, queen, rise, you a lion star. Them box you down, but your soul too raw. When we chant at the altar of Jah. Whoa, Mr. Mine at the temple, heart at the drum. Every little thought is a seed where you sow, man. If you plant beer, fear, stress soon come. Plant little faith, watch blessing just grow, man. Little but me tall with the truth in my palms. Still me walk through calm, cause Jah not sleep. Him dey on the case, even when you can't see. Trust the hand, trust the grace.
We chant at the altar of Jah.
Hold firm,
even when you jar.
life rough, but you're tougher than the tar. From zinc fence right back to seminar. We chant at the